Changing expectations from customers and society are impacting all maritime vessel operators. To stay ahead of the competition, how can you reduce costs and improve fleet performance while lowering your carbon footprint? To address these challenges, a leading container shipping operator, Atos and Siemens, have established an innovative open ecosystem to deliver a vessel resource optimization platform called SysShip Eco Main Suite. All vessel assets are connected, and data from the different control, navigation, and logistics systems is combined with external information such as routes, weather, and currents. Each vessel is equipped to enable powerful AI and real-time analytics capabilities on board. Thanks to insights from this data, operators can better understand the technical status of the vessel. With fuel consumption making up to 60% of operating cost, data collected informs smart choices about how to run the engines, highlighting any inefficiencies. By detecting and preventing technical incidents before they occur, repair cost is not only reduced, but unexpected harbor lay time can be minimized, along with penalties for delay. With an increasingly interconnected global economy and corresponding growth in maritime transport, Atos and Siemens are uniquely placed to help you reduce cost and minimize your carbon footprint.